Greetings, y'all. This is Avian Lord 70. Explosions from all around. It's like a war zone. You can see the smoke. Oh man, this camera is actually... Greetings, y'all. This is Avian Lord 7090 TV. Hear them, but you can't see them most of the time. But anyways, just want to say to y'all, happy 4th. Happy 4th. Y'all. And this camera's actually, you know, it's kind of dark out and there's not that much lighting around, but bruh, this camera's actually got better... It's got better reception. Like, the camera quality is like better than the other previous two phones that I had that I tried to record this on. The other ones, you could barely see a thing, but you could, but like with this one, I noticed you could see a little bit better on this one here. Definitely. Here, you could probably barely see a thing. Everything will just look like a doggone, just like a silhouette light that you're looking at me like right now. You can't even see me too good. It's because it's dark out. Not that much lighting. But, yep. That's me. Avian Lord. Happy 4th, everybody. Happy 4th. Damn, I missed it. It's okay, I probably wouldn't even be able to see that anyways. Darn it. That's alright. There's lots of trees and stuff all around, so you can't really see anything too good. But yes. Once again, happy 4th, everyone. Warm wishes that everyone is having a safe 4th of July. Party hard, but don't party too hard. You see, you can hear these fireworks going on, but you barely can see them. There's a lot of smoke going around. Holy smokes! Not sure how good the camera's picking that up, but boy, oh boy. Look at that lighting, though. It's, the camera's... Oh, there we go. We got something. There we go. Whoop. Just heard some on the trees. Fall through the trees. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. So, you may be wondering, hold on a second. So, you may be wondering where I've been and why I haven't uploaded a video in about like 2 years or so. Well, that's because I've been focusing a lot on personal business type of stuff. Setting up finances and, setting up myself financially, and I have a plan. I got secret plans. So I just decided to can't speak. I decided to wipe off, give the little camera lens a quick wipe off so it could be like somewhat clearer. And yeah, that looks neat. I just want to see how good I picked that up. But yeah, in real life, this area over here. Ooh. Oh, come on. Let's get something here. There we go. Is this? Oh, I see what this is. I see what this is doing here. There's like little settings. I just want to see like what the zoom out would do. It seems like it made it darker. But anyways, that area over there, that's actually darker in real life. The camera's actually doing some really good lighting on that. And I like that. I like that the camera's doing that. It's a lot better quality here on this camera because I got a new phone. But yeah, I'm also in time going to focus on investing in better equipment. I'm gonna focus on getting some better equipment for myself, so it can be a better experience with me recording myself gaming and all that stuff. So that's probably why I've sort of I've gone off the radar for a time. That's what's up. But yeah, it's actually, I really like the lighting. I really like the lighting here that this camera's picking up. It's higher quality because outside it's actually darker outside than what this camera's picking up. So that's pretty cool. If I were to record this on my other two phones that I have, I still have them, but of course I can't I can't make any phone calls or really text people on there. If I do, I got to use this phone for making phone calls and all that stuff. But oh crap! I feel like I'm gonna fall over. Oh, what was that? I heard some branches snap. What the heck, bruh? But anyways, that's why I've sort of gone off the radar. Tending to personal matters, and some of which these personal matters involve leading up to me being able to invest in a better setup for myself. That shall be happening someday soon, because it seems as though these secretive plans that I have made for my financials, with the help with friends and such, and even searching online for as many resources as possible, because I also do that too. Searching, see if I can get some extra resources, sort of as a fail-safe, or to multiply, to multiply the rewards that I seek to reap. So I feel like I've been taking a more active role as a hustler, a pirate, so to say. I'm a pirate, searching for, just lost at sea at my ship, my pirate ship, just searching for treasures, just searching for land ho. Shiver me timbers. It be the red X that marks the spot. Ahoy, matey. You found the treasure? Shiver me timbers. It seems as though, or I should probably say it like this, more like this sounds more like a pirate. Shiver me timbers. It be that my plans are coming into fruition. Arr. Just being silly. But it really does seem as though my plans are one of these days soon. Like, we're not talking about months. We're talking about weeks, possibly days. Days on the week. My plans are going to somehow come into fruition. and everything's gonna be lovely once again. Wonderful, as Michael Rosen would say. And everything is lovely once again. Wonderful. That Michael Rosen is a classic, even though he's his thing is like children's stories and poems and rhymes and all that stuff. Oop. Okay, yeah. Holy smokes. There we go. That's pretty good. Smoke. Fog of war. We're in the shroud of darkness because it's nightfall. Well, it pretty much is night already, but there we go. We got something good on there. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, so this shall be the first video that I do in a long time. How about this? A little vlog. An Independence Day vlog. 4th of July vlog. How about that, huh? And recently, I have been coming up with ideas for content specifically for my Teespring store. For once I'm in I'm in a comfortable position to do so. But sort of designs for clothing and apparel and such. And I've been using AI image generators for help with that. Said it can't possibly be copyright, or maybe there's still some loud bangs out here, maybe occasional flashes of light. Perfect. Anyways, yes. Maybe there might be still some legal, maybe there might still be some legal things going on, like that involve that. These using AI generated images, but I was going to say it can't possibly be copyrighted due to the fact that it wasn't created by anyone else other than AI, a piece of software generated specifically by AI, but a prompt. But a prompt that I typed in for it. It's going to be like something involving like the nebula and the pillars of creation, because those images of that nebula, I feel like if I try to talk over that, that's gonna what's that word I'm looking for? What's that term? It's gonna overwhelm the sound of my voice and me talking. So I gotta wait till that calms down. Like a little loud snapping of the fireworks. Sounds like a giant thing of popcorn being cooked. Oh, beautiful flashes of light. Anyways, yes. Especially like the pillars of creation, nebula. It's like something called like the eagle or something, pillars of creation. pictures of those nebula, especially like the stars in the background, in the background sky. It's just so beautiful, and when I see pictures like that, it oftentimes nowadays makes me think of God because of how beautiful it is, and that it's of the universe. I believe that God, of course, is the controller of the universe, the ruler of the universe. Now I'm getting religious, but yeah. Oh, dang. Sometimes it's hard to judge where these fireworks are coming from. Anyways, if I were to record this on my older phones, the phones would either accurately show my older phones, like what I was saying is like they would probably accurately, my phone's recording this would probably accurately show how dark it is at best, but at worst it would probably exaggerate the darkness. My phones would most likely, if I were to record on my older phones, would probably exaggerate how dark it is out here. Or at best, just accurately show how dark it is. But this phone, it's newer. Camera's higher quality. Beautiful. I'm not sure how much the camera's picking up on here, but it's quite smoky from all the ignition of the fireworks. And I can smell the gunpowder too. Ha. Yep, we are having fun out here. We are cooling out here. We chilling, we vibing. That's what's up. Oh. What? Huh. Caught them both. Nice. I wonder what should we talk about? I wonder how's life been treating all of you watching this? Hopefully good. If not, we'll send some warm wishes and prayers that life does start to treat you good. Because that's what makes the world a happy place. It's actually much darker. It's actually darker than it appears on this camera. I like that though. Better quality videos than if I were to have recorded this on my own phone, and on my older phones, and I did too. I've actually got plenty of clips on the 4th of July of me recording this, and it either appeared as dark as it does now, or it appeared much darker than it actually was on those phones. You know, actually, earlier today, over here in Minnesota, it was actually raining. And people were still lighting fireworks. Just wondered if the rain would extinguish their firework ignitions. Oh, shells. It's raining shells. It was like that howitzer artillery unit from Command and Conquer General 0 Hour Shockwave for the USA Armor General from that real-time strategy game. It's raining shells. I thought it was actually going to be chilly out here. It's actually not that bad. It's like 60 degrees out here, or something like that. Feels like it's in the 60s. It's not that bad, or in the 70s. It's around the low 70s. Something. Feels just warm enough for me to go topless out here, and that's what I did. That's what I decided to do. Come out here in the night topless. I did spray some just about the rest of my Camp Tanaduna lemon scented bug spray that I got many years ago from my Teens in Action my Teens in Action my Teens in Action after school club from over a decade ago. Boy, does time fly. Just 11 years ago, I graduated high school. 11 years ago. Feels like it was only like 5.5. Oh yeah, and something else about my other phones is they were very low on space too. This being a newer phone, there's a lot more space on it. Oh crap. I think I might get hit with a shell. it rained out here earlier. I saw some on the chairs. I want to sit down. Got my coffee right there. Yep, once again, I hope everything is going good for all of you watching, in your lives. Having a good time tonight. I guess this could sort of be like an ASMR thing. Not sure if you can hear me here. So the fireworks outside at night, 4th of July, 2024. Oh. Well. I know it's too dark in here. You can't even really see me. I'm just a silhouette, but yep, just chilling. Look to grab that. Make this a little bit more interesting. Ooh, there we go. Cannonball. phone that can't really use to make phone calls or text.